This is Daniel from SUNIX. Today we're in Computex Taipei 2013 and we want to introduce our docking station solution. So currently Ultrabook is here. The Ultrabook, there's no I/O or less I/O for the connection. So we have a docking station for you to expand so many peripherals, including keyboard, mouse, USB 3.0 or 2.0 device, additional display, it can be Ethernet connection or headset or microphone connection over one single cable. So we have the USB 3.0 docking station and Thunderbolt docking station for option and for the different application. So take a look. This is our USB 3 docking station. The front panel with one USB 3 and audio port, and this connect to the Blu-ray DVD. And the real I/O, we have the one DVI connection, one HDMI, gigabit Ethernet for networking connection, two USB 3.40 for connection, and one single USB 3.0 upstream to the iMac systems here. So let's see, we can total expansion 3 display at the same time. This is the original one, and this is for the HDMI, this is for the DVI connection. You can extend 2 extension display playing at the same time. And let's check the performance here. There are one Blu-ray DVD connection over the USB 3 port and another 3.4-inch Seagate hard drive connection to the USB 3 port. So now the Blu-ray DVD is playing, and we run the performance for the hard drive at the same time. Let's check. So the write speed close to the 110, and the read speed is also 120. It is the same performance, it's the maximum performance about this hard drive, USB 3 hard drive. So you can read out when the Blu-ray DVD playing and your hard drive accessing at the same time. USB 3 bandwidth is good enough for your solution.